Hey guys, today I'm here at the sales office of Emaar, as you can see over here. So, Dubai is all about health, wellness, marathons, and taking care of yourself. So, Emaar is bringing a whole new community based on same, the Heights Wellness. The project is located on a very prime location near to your Oasis and Grand Polo by Emaar itself. It's few minutes away from your Al Maktoum airport. And as you all know, and investors also know, there's a shortage of townhouses and villas, and it's a very hot topic over here. You don't get it very easily, especially from a very good developer like Emaar. It's an opportunity for you to invest, and you know, when you are early investor or a first phase investor in Emaar, you get a very special price, because after every launch in a community, Emaar increases its price by 5 to 7%. So those who invested in the early phase, in the first phase, they always get this benefit, and they are rewarded, like it's like a reward from Emaar because they invested in early phase. The prices will be starting from 5.5 million, and there will be 3, 4, 5 bedroom independent villas, giving more luxury, privacy, and truly Emaar style. So if you're thinking to invest, and if you were waiting for a right opportunity, I guess this is the time for you to invest, because the prices will be very low. This will be the first phase for Emaar's community for the Heights. You're looking for some more details. The project has still not been launched, but it will be launching at the end of January or February. The timing is the key to earn money if you are an investor, and if you are looking for something for yourself, I guess this will be the serene community full of greenery. As you know, Emaar comes up with beautiful villas, beautiful townhouses. People, those who have invested in Emaar, they very well know that on the time of launch there is no units, they already disappeared. So this is the time when you can literally choose your unit by just giving a small amount of EOI, that is expression of interest. In case you don't like it, you get the whole money back. So it's a win-win situation for you. But this project, I will bet on this, you will not regret, because it's a prime location, and plus Emaar. There is no words to add on. It's Emaar, guys. So invest before it's too late.